Hey everybody, wow, it's been a while since I have done a voiceover, but today I'm going to do a voiceover. This is going to be an updated, long overdue version of Instacart Canada current earnings. Okay, so please, very quick disclaimer before we begin. Do not believe anyone who just says that they're making money easily without even trying anymore. Most markets at the moment, if they're not already oversaturated, are on the road to being oversaturated. So making a lot of money on Instacart is definitely much harder than it was a couple of months ago. So if you are signing up in order to, I don't know, do this full time, just a quick disclaimer, in your area that may not be a possibility. I will say though, however, an app that is currently hiring at the moment is Corner Shop. Corner Shop's a great app to get on. There are less people on that app, so it's great. Also, if you want to do Instacart but it's just not working out really in your area, another idea is to add apps like Skip, DoorDash, Uber Eats, any other thing like that. Now, I do have to apologize and say that most of the earnings that I was able to find were screen grabs of earnings that are in Central Ontario, GTA, to be honest, mostly Ontario region. So if you live in a different part of Canada, I'm assuming that the earnings are similar. But yeah, that's just an assumption. I'm not too sure about that. So first and foremost, we see the total earnings of the week is $160.04. They did 5 batches. They had $62 from customer tips, which is really good, and they had $97.50 from Instacart payment. At the bottom here, you can also see that this person lives in the GTA, which is a pretty broad location, but yeah, that's what this person made from 5 batches. It doesn't say how long they were online for, so we don't know. Okay, this person, let's not pay so much attention to what they were making in the current week, but in the prior weeks we see that they were making $159.01, then they were making $107.20, then they were making $88.85, and this person is in the Saskatoon region. Okay, next, this person made $20.36, and this was one batch, meaning that it was one order. The customer tipped $5.50 and the Instacart payment was $14.86. This person is also in the GTA region, so they only did one order. Not sure why, but yeah. Mind you, this screenshot was taken on Saturday, so this person made $578.38. They worked for 24 hours. They were online for 24 hours. They made $109.41, $179.03, $165.58, $97.19, $27.17. Doesn't say how much was Instacart payment or how much was tips, but nonetheless, for 24 hours of work, this is pretty good. This person also lives in the GTA region. Next, we have someone who made $2,036.84. They did 66 batches, and I just want to let you guys know that is a lot. That is a lot of batches. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, this person really worked hard. They got $502.88 in customer tips. Instacart gave them $1,128.96. They got $5 shopper bumps. So shopper bumps are where, like if something goes wrong and you talk to support and you kind of get an extra compensation. And they have a $400 referral bonus, meaning that they referred someone and that person actually stuck through and stayed on the app, fulfilled their requirements, and this person received $400 for referring somebody else, which is pretty nice, not gonna lie. So if we subtract the referral bonus Altogether, they would have made about $1,600, which is not bad. It's actually really, really good. And again, this person lives in the GTA region. I know exactly where this person lives, but I cannot say, and I'd rather not say. Keep it a secret. But yeah, the full week hasn't ended. These are screen earnings that were taken on Saturday, so these earnings may change, but you know, just to give you a gist of what's going on, somebody made $121.32 for 4 orders. Instacart payment was decent, so this person took some really good orders, and customer tips were $26.97. This person is in Peterborough. Look at their prior weeks, and one week they made $60.66. Next week they made $343.73. Really good. I think that was around Victoria Day, if I'm not mistaken. And then the week before this one, they made $24.24. So I'm guessing this is a part-time gig for this person. The referral fee, for Peterborough really sucks. It's $25, but anyways, that's besides the point. So next we have some earnings that are less exaggerated and more common for the current situation. They were online for 47 hours and 49 minutes. They made $115.35, $89.27, $144.47, $132.58, $116.52, and $131.67. I'm assuming that this person is going to work today. Today's Sunday, so pretty sure they're probably going to hit the 800, possibly 900 mark. But anyways, this is a lot of time to be online, so please keep that in mind. And this person probably lives in a pretty good area as well. Alright, so next one, 1,187.30. They were online for 49 hours and 9 minutes. They made $312.70 on Monday in one day. That's like freaking amazing. And the second day they made $183.27. Third day they made $277.66. Fourth day they made $229.88. Again, still really good. And Saturday they made $192.69. It's Sunday. I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna knock out another $200, but in any case, this person killed it. I kind of wish I knew where this screenshot was taken or the location of this person, but I don't. So yeah. So even though this person did not work a lot or work long hours, they still did a very fine job, because altogether it comes down to about $18 an hour for the hours that they put in. So this is actually really, really good. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.